Hello planners and makers, it has been a while. I plan to make a video to explain that and tell you where I'm at with my planning system, but today's an unboxing, friends. I got myself a birthday present. My birthday is next week, so it has arrived just in time, and I'm pretty excited about it. So for the first time, I have customized a traveler's notebook with Baum Kuchen. Their customizing program is called Truly Yours. I'm sure a lot of you already know that, but it just arrived. Let's see what this little guy is. Now, if you're kindred spirits, you know I'm gonna save all of this. Okay. Part of why I've been gone is because I am broken. I am broken, and my broken has my fingertips numb, which is making this interesting. We're gonna get there. We're gonna get there. Stay tuned for a better explanation of what the daggone has been happening. Interestingly enough, it is the second time that I've done this to myself. A year ago, I did it. I'm not happy. And by did it to myself, I didn't really do anything, but the result is the same. All right, so this is my charm that I want to put on the front. It is the Ichigo Ichie charm. That's what that says, and it is on a 5 yen coin, I believe. This says because I believe. Here now together with you. Little sticker. Oh my gosh. This is difficult with numb fingertips, but we're gonna get there, guys. We're gonna get there. So hopefully it will focus. This is one side. And if you look on their website, it'll explain it all. I just can't really look right now. So that is my charm. Okay. This is my invoice. If you are not familiar, it's your invoice all origamied up. It's just... We believe in pouring tender care to your package because these artifacts can be used and loved for a lifetime, and this is the beginning of their journey. This says travel within, letterpress. And then, don't need you to see my address, of course. Packaged individually with care, May 22nd. Prepared by We Love to Hear From You. So my special note says, thank you so much, Kelly. Your passport olive looks so cute. I hope you enjoy your Truly Yours for many years to come. All right. I have never seen an olive traveler's notebook in person. So in many ways, this is just all gonna be, woo! I'm gonna tell you, I'm a little bit nervous. When you spend a lot of money on something that you've never seen, it's, you know, you're really hoping for the best. Put that there. Put all this there. All right. Shoot dang, shoot dang. Okay, I think it feels like it might be in its original packaging still. Yeah, okay. So this is a many-stepped reveal. So again, I got olive. For all the travelers who have a free spirit. This is not, okay, let me be clear. This is not my first Traveler's Company Traveler's Notebook. My very first was when it was still Midori Traveler's Notebook, and it's in brown, standard size, over up there. And then I recently from Yoseka got this blue, which I have been using as a wallet until this little cutie came. And then I have other Traveler's Notebooks from other companies, but this is my third from Traveler's Company. Dear Kelly, thank you for your patience. I hope you like the way your Truly Yours came out. Cheers. Okay, so this is my words. This is my specs. This is my, like, they emailed me this to make sure that it was what I wanted before they got started. So let's go over it. Since this doesn't have costs or address or whatever. So you do this via email. You can look on their website at availabilities, but it all says sold out because they want you to contact them so that y'all can start the process and make sure that it's possible to do what it is you're envisioning for your notebook. You can also send them your notebook. Like I could send them this blue one and say, all right, this is what I want you to do to it. Or buy a new one from them like I have and tell them what I want. So here's what we are expecting to see when we open it. I got a wabi-sabi patch for the front cover. And I asked for it to be in the bottom right corner. I asked for the passport wallet pocket in nude on the inside left panel. Passport zipper pocket nude on inside right panel. And then rivets. So in their sketch, which is what I had to approve, this shows there's the wabi-sabi patch and the rivets. There's the wallet pocket. And there is the zipper pocket. All right. Here's an extra band. Here is the care for leather instructions. We always have to make sure we take this too. That's an extra band for putting your notebooks in, or if your closure fails you. Oh goodness, so many goodies for my journal. All right. Okay, this is the back. This is the front. Ooh, you can see it. I'm my God. So, okay. Dial it down. Be civilized. Not everyone needs to know that I am an absolute dork. You guys. Okay. So on this elastic band is where I plan to put Ichigo Ichie. I cannot. I can't. Do I even open it? Because right now I'm in love. Like, I'm assuming this mark is from, like, the foot of the sewing machine. Okay, we're not going to open it yet. Oh, God. I can't even stand it. Ooh. I don't know. Like, there's a window right here, so there's natural light coming in. I don't have any other lights on. I don't know if you can get a feel of the color. Like, it doesn't, in this light right now, it looks like a super cool brown, but it's got a touch of a green tint. Oh my God, it's everything. It's everything. Okay, calm down. So here is the Travelers Company logo info. Some little Baum Kuchen rivets that are just, okay. We're going in, guys. This is the Wabi Sabi patch, which, if you do not know what Wabi Sabi means, I love Wabi Sabi. It is a Japanese philosophy, basically for embracing the imperfect, the flaws. Like, that is what makes a thing its most beautiful, which, come on, do we all not need to embrace our flaws? So we got that rolling right here. This Ichigo Ichie, living in the moment, being present right here, right now. You get the vibe. So, like, come on, embrace flaws, live in the moment. I can't. Okay. Oh shoot, dang. Okay. There's my little wallet pocket. So in theory, a driver's license, debit cards, cash maybe. This comes with your passport notebook when you order it, which I'm gonna go ahead and take that out because I'm not going to use that presently. Oh, my little bookmark. Okay. And then I believe it's gusseted, which is this thing. You can get it either way. I went with gusseted, and I'll be putting change in here because, again, this is going to be my wallet. I couldn't be freaking happier. Y'all, woo! Happy birthday to me. All right, so should we set it up a bit? And cut to a little over a month later. I was going to show how I set this little beauty up, but I couldn't make a decision. I could not decide what I wanted in it, or I wanted everything in it, and that just wasn't going to do because then everything would stick out too far. So now that I've lived with it for a little over a month, it is now July 2nd, and I filmed the first bit the end of May. So let's talk a little bit more about her. I love it as much as I did when I unboxed it? Yes, perhaps a little too much because I don't leave her in my purse. I carry her around like this. And so she's got these scratches. And these aren't even scratches with a fun story. This is me carrying my wallet and a pineapple in my arm running around the grocery store. So that's not exciting. She's got marks from my nails, from my keys, from tossing her on my car seat. Olive has marks. Olivia? What did I say I was going to name her? Whatever. She's got marks. Let's look at what I did put inside of her. So here's some stamps. Here's some cash. Originally, I had the cash back here, but it was just too difficult to get it in and out quickly. So I've just folded it up and put it in here. In this, I resituated the little PVC pocket because it made this stay in better. Because before, when I had it up here, it was sticking out too far. So this is the open pocket. And in there, I was putting my driver's license and insurance cards, my vaccine card, and now my library card, bunches of stuff like that. But you don't really need that often, but often enough. I was hoping debit cards and things would fit in here. They do not. They stick out too far, I think it was. This is my undated calendar, as you can see. This is a grid notebook. I did keep that in here. I have not fully figured out how I want to use it. The thoughts I do have, I don't want to really do until the new year, but we'll think on that. This zipper, oh, my bad. In these sectioned off sides is where I keep 2 credit cards and 2 debit cards. And here, it's my business cards turned backwards because it has a phone number. Business cards, loyalty cards, like my Costco card, my Blick card, some punch card type things, as you can see. And then a little bit of change. I don't have anything back here. It was proving difficult. It kept catching on the knot of this, so I don't really have anything in there yet. I am still madly in love with it. So in love with it. Yes. So that is how I'm using this beautiful olive traveler's notebook that was customized by Baum Kuchen. And I seriously, I can't be more in love. I sit it on my desk and spy on her every now and then because she's gorgeous. She's gorgeous. And she makes me wildly happy. Which, if, you know, you're going to treat yourself to a thing, that is the best outcome. That's the best outcome. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Please like, subscribe, and do all the things. And I will talk to you in the next one. Go forth and make awesome things.